Hello, it's Paddy Pat here at Insomnia, where Alpine has set up an absolutely incredible stall here this year.
Trak Race today is showcasing what we can do to bring virtual with reality combined. We brought the T-Box motion sims behind us and people absolutely love it. They're queuing and they try over and over again to beat the lap time to actually be driving out on track with a real car later today.
For us, it's very important to reach out to wider gaming audience and fans. People have been queuing and really happy to get on the simulators, drive the A110 car on track and just enjoy, have a fun day.
The reaction so far has been absolutely incredible. There's people with smiles from cheek to cheek, enjoying the atmosphere, enjoying what we've got here, and it's been incredible so far.